this is Brandon. As you can see, remember earlier I was walking around and I showed you there was a rust spot. Well, you come prepared with everything. So I got some rust remover, if I can spec. This is a great buy. I got this probably like 2 years ago. It was on, you get your whole the whole package. You get a backpack and everything. But, so I got my black pad. Remember I said we're using the red one, but we need more agitation. So we're using the black pad and we'll put that rust on there. I've only had it sitting for about 2 minutes. All right, got a rag here. All right, so I did a test. This is where the test area was. So I had it for 2 minutes. I'm letting it sit a little bit more. And look at that, I'm scrubbing it. And I said this black pad is more agitation. And it came right on up. So you gotta definitely have that pack in your arsenal, because you never know what you're gonna dive into. Okay. And I didn't know this was there when we did it because it was covered up by the bases of the holder. So we got that up, and we're gonna come back and clean it again with the auto scrubber, just to get all these little fine pieces up on the pad. And as you can see, it's completely gone now. Now that happened from janitorial, just mopping the floor. That's why it's best to doing the method we're doing with the cleaner or with the auto scrubber, because it extracts it. When you're mopping, you're just moving the water from one place to another. That's it. Or the dirt, I should say. All right, so stay tuned. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home, we let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.